Hello everyone and welcome to this. Is gold gonna fall today? Live analysis of the market. We're going to go through gold, dollar, yen, and some other things, but mostly focusing on gold because that's what you guys are interested in. Who knows? Where's gold gonna go? Is it going high? Is it going lower? Where do you think price is gonna go? Fantastic day today in the markets. I hope you're doing well and welcome to AvenFX. I'm your mentor, I'm your helper, and I'm here to make you a better Forex trader. Boom. So let's go through the markets. Let's also make sure that we have alerted everyone that is supposed to be here today. That is great. And there you go there. And then if you want to go into my Telegram channel, there we are apparently. And I will probably give out some kind of link here. That would be great for you because you guys seem to be liking Telegram. Okay, cool. I can be Telegram on for you. There you go. There you go. Cool. So, Hash Brown says, Wyckoff theory holds true. Bitcoin to 10,000. Well, that is totally up to the market to really see where we're going to go. So yeah, let's see if we can do that, then that, and that, and then a bit out, I guess, again. So if you're wondering, if you saw my face earlier today, I was on TraderNick today talking nonsense and some sense at least. So yeah, very good session there. So let's see where we go. What else are we supposed to do today? Then take off this Telegram thing. That would be great, I think. Take off Telegram, take off Discord, and take off Zoom. Cool. All right, mate. How's your day going? How are you, Ahmed? Good morning. So this is a session where we have every Tuesday, and I think that is a good thing that you guys are coming here, giving out your trade plans, by the way, and then we shall discuss what we shall do next for tomorrow, day trading for tomorrow, weekly swing trades for the rest of the week, and what else are we supposed to do? Yeah, pretty much around those areas. And lead biblioteca. We have some inspiring music today. Of course, it's not there. Pop, and then inspiring. There you are. Cool. Let's see. Cool. Where are you guys today? There you are. There you are. Good day. Hello everyone. What's the next pair? What's the pair you want me to cover today? You guys are a bit slow today. Like, come on. I know everyone is here, but like, come on. What energy? We're just making profits, bro, left and right. Like, why are you guys so... Richard Quez Amadezi, ho ho. Prince says, hello, AvenFX. I say hello. And if you are here from TraderNick, I would love that to see actually. Oh wow, look at that. People are starting to share a story when and how you started Forex career. What are the hurdles, problems you were facing and trying? Raheel Khan. How many hours do you got? I have a couple. If you watch this YouTube video here, let me see if I can show it to you. Started with $30, I think it is. Maybe if that's... Oh, yeah. Here you are. It's probably not everyone likes this thing though, but you know, it is my video, by the way. And there you are. It's how I would do it in the old days. And hello, winners. Welcome to this video where we're going to talk about how I started trading Forex with $30 in my account. Well, that is just half of the story because the other story is that I've blown a lot of accounts before I stopped blowing, and at $30 that's when my account size was. So before that I was gambling, and I can say that I started trading Forex at 30 because that's when everything started to go better. So if you guys want to watch that one, that's totally up to you. And yeah, have a good day there. Come back in a couple of seconds and we will discuss more. Cool. So how I really started? What can I do that? Yeah, I know it's slow. So the reason why how I started Forex was I was scammed. So that's my story. That's the video. You're much welcome. XXXCFT. Yeah, we can go look through CHF. So, anyways, the link is there, and today we can. What can we? You guys asked for my merch yesterday, I think it was. So I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna give you the link at the top. I don't know why I feel like doing that, but I feel like doing that today. There's some merch. Some, and give that as the top link, top thing to do today. Cable. No, that was not how it was supposed to be. Found some. Cool. Let me start before I lose y'all. Cool. Gold. Can gold fall? Is my question. Well, since yesterday was 17th of May, around here. That's where we were yesterday, like around here. We have actually fallen since that time. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is the difference that you are, as a forex trader, trying to catch. Is the difference in price in at different times. So if you are seeing that, for example, the wholesale is 18.28, but what retail traders are buying it for is 18.68. There is a difference there of $40 plus for you for every trade. So the arbitrage is $40, and you are then able to profit from that on every transaction. That is arbitrage. Is to take advantage of gaps or void in price, either in time or in availability or in at least that's how I was. Oh, you're Pepperstone. Okay, cool. So yeah, I started out to be scammed. I think it was this guy in LA that has a lot of guns and women. What is it called? Don Balzerian, whatever god that called. I saw a Facebook contact thing about him, and he said his secret to his wealth was Forex. So I started doing Forex, but I started with bots. I lost. I started with managed money. I lost. I started out with patterns. I lost. Oh, sorry, binary. I lost. I lost in Forex. I lost. What else did I lose in? I lost in patterns, candlesticks, patterns, breakout theory, candlesticks. What else? What else do you call it? Probably also trend in the beginning. And what else? London breakout, London, New York, like anything under the sun that was pure technical analysis. Of course, boiling a band. Of course, moving averages. Even though I have found profitability more on that later on in life, but yeah, those areas. Is ICT method good? I have absolutely no freaking clue what that is. I am actually. Richard asks, did I actually start with $30? Well, that story is in the YouTube video. I'm not going to give you the, well, let's say I was kind. I gave away $250. I gave away $250 to a person, and he lost, and I think he lost it to around 35 US dollars. And I know I lost some extra here, so I think it started out at 29.90 maybe. I think that was the balance that I started out with. Then how you succeeded? Well, I never gave up. I think my first win was like the yen pairs. I think my first win was the yen pairs, and I took a ridiculous trades, like 5 orders on 0.01 lot sizes. It would kill my account if it didn't go well. And I doubled the account up to like 67 or something. Like, if you guys want to know, I think everything is on Facebook somewhere. So, I think I then went to 67, and then I went to 150 or 125 or whatever what that price was. And I have never looked back. And that is in 2013, give or take. Yeah, back in 2013, 2014. So I've been trading, and I'm not, have I blown my account since then? Maybe I've blown my account since then. I can't say for sure. Please, Jesus, help me. But, please, if I'm saying the truth, I want to tell the truth, but I'm only going to tell the truth and nothing else but the truth. So I may have blown an account after that, but I tried at least. That's what I started out with. Do you know Inner Circle Trader? No, I don't. Nope, I don't. Was that interesting for you to know my story? To know where I started out from? But of course, I've added money later on. And $30 it's not my net worth and my wealth. But yeah, that's how my account started off at. Was that inspiring? Or interesting, maybe. You guys are a bit slow to respond to it. Okay, cool. I can take it. Maybe it's just YouTube. And of course, if you want to become a YouTube member of my team, here is $5 a month to become a team member. Discount and merge, access to chat for members only. Yeah. And I will look at your comment first if you are a member. Yeah. Maybe, yeah. No, so I started losing. I guess we all do that, I guess, in the end, in the beginning anyways. But there is some stories that they start out with winning, and I didn't. And then I made like, what did I make? I made like 1,000. I made like 2,000 or 3,000 in a day one day, and I lost it all. I think I went from like 1,000 to like 3,000. This is back in those days, by the way. I say so clearly. So I think I went from 1,000 to 3,000, and then back to 500. Because I was selling oil. Maybe I'll find it. I don't know if I will ever find it, but I sold oil. When could it have been? I'm just trying to figure out what. Well, yeah, I remember this chart. Oh my lordy, this is the chart I remember. I think I sold it here. I sold it here, in this trend here. That looks very familiar. With some EMAs and stuff. Yeah. So around 17th of June, I remember the. Yeah, this one maybe earlier even. I can't remember. It's either that one or it's this one. But I'm old, so back then. Oh shoot, spike on oil today. And net gas is falling. The mothers of it. Gold. Sorry, gold. So I told you guys yesterday, never quit. Absolutely true. Is this the top? 1868? Doesn't need to be. So I kind of gave you guys a challenge. If you are a buyer, your job is to buy at every support, right? And this is daily? Yeah, maybe this is actually daily. This is daily. Okay, so your job as a buyer is to be buying at support, which you never got to, which is yesterday, 17th. Yeah, okay, cool. So you never got to that support. Okay, cool. Doesn't matter. Go to the next support and take it higher. But I also told you guys we are at take profit zones. We are at take profit zones for the month. We are at take profit zone for the week. And if this falls, don't come here and blame me if I didn't tell you guys, right? And if you're buying up here, you are taking a considerable risk, to be honest. Just saying that. So if you were more likely to find it at 1840, I think you would be a much more happier person. If it does go higher, cool, you can buy the pullback if it goes higher. But again, what happens right now, it is at the standstill of it could fall, it could rise. So I'm just preparing you ultra bull ones that this might not be the price to buy it at. You can if you want to, but it might not be the best. Bro, can you brief about COT report that you always refer to? The COT report is used for every trader or every company, firm, whatever, that is worth over 500 million US dollars in active capital to trade from, managed money capital, and they have to report their earnings their positions every Tuesday. So around today, then they are scrambled together by the CFTC and published every Friday. They show what large institutions in the market are doing, if they are increasing or decreasing their positions on any given assets, both on gold, dollar, yen, and all those things. So if you look at the CRT report for gold, they had increase in buys and they were taking profit on sells. That is absolutely very bullish. So the question is it going to continue or is it not going to continue? I don't know if it's going to continue, but what I do know is it doesn't stop right here. They are going to buy into the future. So, yeah. The CFTC, cftc.gov, here you are, and then you go to commitment of traders report, and here you have the whole thing, the whole thing, you know, whatever, and then I go to long format at Chicago Mercantile Exchange, long format. Now this is all very difficult to read, you know. First of all, this is the butter crash, so I need to find a euro. Let's go find gold. Gold traders. And maybe gold is not actually here. Gold is not there. Gold is where's gold? Does it really matter? Chicago Board of Trade said gold. Well, can't remember where it is then. I give up. So it's supposed to be here somewhere, and I can't remember for the life of me right now with my brain at the moment. So just go here, and then I go here, and then we go there. So what this is telling me currently, more buyers coming in, more shorts taking profit, that is ultra bullish. And then I go to the non-commercials, take away the commercials and non-reportables, and I look to the trend, and the trend is currently down, sideways, hopefully a bit higher. If you look at the chart, as you look at the COT report, this is the high, this is the high, this is the high in the price market. Price goes lower, 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 lower. Price starts to make a double bottom. The COT starts to take up a double bottom. COT goes higher. Price goes a bit higher. And it goes a bit lower. And yeah, cool. It looks to be going higher. So really, really good. Really good. Looks like this is actually the double bottom. But yeah, cool. So we can even see the COT report and the trends also corresponds with the markets. And pretty good, pretty good. How to view the COT data. COT data is published here every Friday at 21:30 my time. That is around 1 hour and 30 minutes away from now on Friday. So yeah, pretty good. Pretty good, mate. 8 likes today. All right. Someone is liking this content. That's great. And for the rest of you guys, you should also be doing that because I'm giving out bullets every single day for your trading. So hope you're liking it. If not, you're not liking it, please give out your voice so I can look into your eyes and say, hey, brother, welcome. What else? I think I'm gonna have a small little break in my... Just having a break right now, sorry. I know it's not nice for content, but I need to drink something. Cool, mate. That was just for fun, though. But yeah, cool. What else, gold traders, are we going to do today? So we have gone through gold now. I just want to reassure that I've done what I wanted to do. This could be the buy, but I also want you to look for a buy up here and then going higher. You did not get your entry here. That would be kind of a thing where price can come down here before going higher. That's absolutely possible. The other thing to look out for was the target. I don't know what the target is right now, but I have a mental target of $2,000. It has none close to anything in the future. It doesn't bother. It doesn't need to do that, but that's what I wanted to do. So we shall see. I'm buying until that time. So, James, where are you, James? Are you here, James? Are you here? I just want you as a testifying client and you as a testifying witness to what we have discussed today. So don't put up our chat as a personal chat, but if you are here as a person, what did I tell you? Did I say 807? Did I say 7783? Yeah. That sounds like a good entry, right? Boom. Right? That's in profit, bro. Grab your money and run away, bro. Right? You gonna agree? Let me see. Find that money thing. So yeah, we have a testifying witness saying that I told him that price should come down to that price and then go higher. So yeah, pretty great, mate. So that's kind of what you get through the mentorship, bros. Absolutely sniper killing entries. Every single day. Not every day, but yeah. Where's the money back thing? There you are. 3 entries now. Welcome. Congratulations, bro. I'm happy that you are what we can call a witness. So there are what else? Euro came down to some entries here as well. I think is it Euro coming into the weekly target right now? Oh yeah. So that is definitely a red alert, red alert. If you didn't take profit here earlier today, oh, I don't know what you're doing, bro, but that's not a good thing, is it? So I think we might have some consolidation. I would look to take it up from 21 area. And so yeah. Happy days, bros. Happy days. But Australia's a bit slower, you know, they're a bit slower here, but still coming out of it with a good entry and having good entries here, and hopefully break even and see if this one turns higher. Boom. But yeah, Euro has gone very fast this week, so if we're going higher now, take as a saving grace or taken as extra money being given to you by the market, is really happy with you today. So yeah. And what else do I want to tell you guys today? I want to tell you guys that I love you guys. You are my family. You are here every single time I'm live, and you are supporting me through my content. So I'm happy that you're here. I'm happy that you're giving me time of your life today. What I do want to say about that then next is I hope you made profits this week, because I have given you euro dollar, I have given you pound dollar, I have given you, yeah, that's probably it about this week. I've given you gold, target, euro, gold, silver. I've given you silver this week, and that gas just went through the roof. Okay, so a couple of targets here already hit today. So you are very much welcome, my dear friends. We are 5 out of 5. But boom. And people went away from that. Okay, cool. Whatever. Okay. People went away. Good entry there a couple of hours ago. That's what I expect you to do if you are a trader. I wasn't able to take it, by the way, because I was in the meeting. But yeah, good day, good life. That's how you continuation higher, and then boom. If you're getting in it, I don't know, maybe. These can probably fall as well, but don't burn your fingers. Don't burn your fingers. Don't burn your fingers. I want you to be happy live tomorrow as well. That means that you as a trader needs to risk little per trade so you can take many orders, so that every time you take an order, you have the other one break even. What does that mean? That means that if you lose more than 20% of your account in one single day, which is absolutely outrageous, come to me. I know you are out there. I know you guys are losing money every single day, some of you guys, and it's heartbreaking to me. That's why I'm here to help you become a better Forex trader, to stop you losing money. That's all. No financial advice. I'm just here as a human being, human to human, bro to bro, or if you are female, from a friend to a friend, family member to family member. We are here about it together. And if you are struggling, heartbroken, frustrated at this beautiful day, we had a sunny day today, I am more than welcome you to join this Zoom meeting that I set up every day for people. I talk to people every day on Zoom, help them out 1 hour for free. So that's really kind of what you have to do. It's only about reaching out. And I don't know if Trader Nick does this, or I don't know if any big YouTubers does that even. Like, how much do you get free at my place, right? I'm not promoting myself. I'm just promoting that, I'm here for you, with you, together with you. Okay, bro? Pound Swissy. We can do Pound Swissy in the meantime. Yeah, okay. Pound Swissy was by here. And the rest is history. What else? Anyone else? Gold? Silver? Anyone? If you're a seller, you could have sold here, I guess, but no, I wouldn't sell there, and I probably would buy here instead. But yeah, cool. Good day, mate. This is turning bullish, so only bullish price there. If you're here for the first time, I do hope that you come forward with the pairs you want me to cover, or your trade plans, or the things that you're struggling with, or your questions that you're struggling with. Because here with me, you and me, I have been through the rocks for you. I'm only showing you my system, yes, but I'm also going to show you something else. Do your research. I've done the research for you. You can listen to me and only take the filtered ones. Maybe it's boring when I filter out all the nonsense, but I have been through the dirt for you, so you don't need to. Of course, you probably will anyways, but I'm trying to minimize that. Euro CAD. Okay, we can take Euro CAD. What happened to my back right now? It hurts. Come on, bro. Sitting for too long today. Sorry, I just need to. Okay, Euro CAD. You guys are controlling the show, and then I will do control the show in a couple of minutes as well. Yeah. Not bullish yet, but turning bullish maybe. And we have USD yen coming. I knew that would come. The thing is, people, how are we as traders going to trade certain specific things? How are we looking at certain patterns? What do we want to see? The Manchester United game right now, so I should have watched that. Okay, cool. I'm here with you. I'm giving up Manchester United just to be with you. Sell. Stop, because I'd maybe ish, maybe stop there, ish. Bottom, head and shoulders, bottom, new higher high, pull back, then you continuation higher. If you're going to sell this one, I'm not selling it, and I wouldn't be happy if I was selling it. For fundamental, what should it do is it is more complicated to understand any website for fundamentals other than Forex Live, where we can easily understand about sentiment and fundamentals. Bro, jeez, bro, how can I be so rude and not telling you about fundamental analysis, not making it so difficult? Well, I have a mentorship course where I teach fundamental analysis. And what should do fundamental buys, not fundamental analysis, fundamental buys. That's one place. The other place is start reading. Start picking your brain into those difficult, hard things. If you go to Fed, and let's not do that. Let's go to Fed. You go to Fed, and you go to dollar. Okay, this is analysis you guys need to do. This is homework for you. If you want to become a more better professional trader, if you don't do this, I'm not saying you're going to fail, but you're setting yourself up for failure more than you would ever believe your own brain, right? Okay. Question number 1. What happened in this market? What happened 21st of July? Maybe not true, the 1st of July. What happened? What kind of market condition? What kind of fundamental was in here? What kind of central banking policy was in here? What kind of central banking policy was it around 30th of November 2009? What was it around 13th of May 2010? And what was it around 4th of July 2014? What is so specific about these prices, about these times? You tell me. Australian dollar. What is so special about this period? Oops. About this period. This period. Why did it fall? Why did it rise? Why did it rise and why did it fall? once you start looking into central banking interest rate changes, and you start looking at the chart, and you're wondering, with that central banking policy, how does the market react to such things? Same thing with gold. What was the central banking policy when gold was rising? And when you started Googling and Google, and you are starting to pick knowledge, okay? Here we have a continuous uptrend on gold until August 11. Why did gold stop rising? And then it fell until August 18. Then it rose. Okay? It rose through 19, rose through 20, and skyrocketed through 21. What are we going to do next then? Bro, then who plays a key role in the market? COT data or fundamentals? You have the wrong question, your honor. You have the wrong question. Stop limiting your brain to not stupid. Sorry, I will do that again. Don't limit your brain to limited knowledge. The Forex market is all about knowledge. How do you get knowledge? It is something in between, something that's bullish for the pair and something that's bearish for the pair. The whole analysis that you need to do is which one weighs the most. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Where does the central bank policy go? Where does the macro go? How does the economy go? How does the world economy go? How is the major trading partner doing it? What is the political system? Are they going to add more taxes? Are they going to add more stimulus? You start adding up pros and cons because there is conflicting information in any given market condition, any given market right now, and then you're piling out which one is the strongest force. Okay, I will take that one. And then you stick to it. COT data is one thing. Okay, let me go through that then. Okay, so if you guys are pushing me to a corner, I'm going to give you the absolute creme de la creme a la how you should do this. I can't do it for you, but I can only tell you what to do, right? So we have 19 people. People are living cool. So here we are. Fundamental analysis. You need, first of all, one, central banking policy. Central banking policy. Number two, need macro view. Mostly CPI and unemployment rate is the most important indicators whatsoever. How do I know that? Because Fed told me through their central banking policy. Okay? Number three, micro. How is households doing? Okay? Sentiments. Businesses. Sentiment. Then you should be looking into COT reports. You should be looking into seasonality. You should be looking into political policy. Are they going to change policy? Is it going to be the same policy? What else do you need to know? Yeah. So the question becomes, what drives dollar? What makes dollar move? Can anyone tell me which of these ones is driving the dollar? Yields. Okay. When you come into what kind of asset classes you're supposed to be looking into, yields on the one side is the one that gives you the risk-free investment. So yeah, that is kind of where you could put your money, kind of a thing. Where you should put your money, now what really drives prices is central banking policy. This is actually a full-on course right now. Central banking policy affects the CPI and unemployment. Central banking policy affects the micro. Central banking policy affects the COT. The seasonality is affected by God and the sun and traders mostly, and maybe some political policy. Being affected, like tax seasons, and when they have holiday, which is during the summer. Maybe that's political happen to be that, but mostly is driven by a central banking policy, in my view. Because when they start increasing money flow, in the end, this will improve the macro. Yes, inflation that well had gold higher. So, if you guys now got sorry to swear, a shit ton of work ahead of you, this is like a couple of months of work to understanding how this works, what to look for, how does the COT, well, you can look for trends in the COT, how does the equivalent chart, we don't know until the end. How does the seasonality work? Alright, I don't know, maybe this is different here then. But you need to understand all three. But look, where you calling me, bro? I ain't nobody got time for that. Bro, there's nobody calling me here. Yeah. You didn't answer well. Why would you stand in the corner if it's cold outside, bro? And I guess you already heard it. So, why would you stand? Why would you stand in the corner when it's cold outside? It is because it is 90 failure. It is because it is 90 degrees. So yeah. And then, bro, you didn't like my flower joke. Which flower? How many lips has a how many lips does a flower? How many lips does a flower have? 2 lips. Well, I know. You guys, you need to like me for something. I just need to be dad jokes. I'm not a dad yet, so you know I need to have my dad jokes for myself. 2 lips, yeah. Cool. 2 lips for those who doesn't know. 2 lips. Is it 2 lips? 2 lips? 2 lips? 2 lips. I think that's how you spell it. Yeah, that's how 2 lips is. It's 2 lips, by the way. Any website for fundamental and sentimental work, understand all this in easy way. I don't know, bro. You're asking very difficult questions for difficult. It's a very easy answer. It's a very difficult question, because, or a very easy question, but a very difficult answer, because I don't know if there is free ones out there, but you have to gather, as anyone else, have to do the work, have to be in the dirt, gathering the information, using that information, and just constantly interpreting, analyzing, understanding. I do wrong sometimes too. You just need to learn the hard way. I can probably make a course about it, but that's not free anyways. And I don't know. FX Street and their... Okay, so how do you do it? Fundamental analysis. So you look at central banking policy, bank states, bank weekly outcasts, banks, whatever they are talking about, what they're looking into, like Saxo Bank, Nordea, Danske, Westpac, Wells Fargo, those had a scam the other year, Bank of America, Citi, Commerzbank. Pick one of those people and look into their reports on the summary. Look into the summary. Look at what they're doing. Look at what they're saying. Look at what they're looking into. And then you start understanding, okay, what is really going on. Then before every central banking policy meeting, there is this write up in the media before that says like, this is what we're expecting. Okay, why do they expect this? Because it's out of the macro data was being given between those dates, where this is how you analyze. And now you just pick up whatever they're doing, talk like they're doing, say it loud to your grandma. Well, grandma, you know what Danske Bank said? Tell me, son. Danske Bank think that Eurodollar is going to 115. Why, son? Well, it is because they think that the central banking policy, the market is going to be like this. They're thinking that the market is going to overshoot and is too aggressive at the moment. It's because the economy in America is doing too well, because the car manufacturers are doing too well, because of the air industry is doing too well, because of manufacturing is doing too well. So, that's how you should talk. Alright? That's what you should do. Talk to me, call me. What do you think? Oh, Joanna! My lovely Spanish lady, Catalanian lady, where are you? Mamma mia. So I don't have any other answers to your Pepper CMC than I do that work for myself. I do that for my students. I try to do that. I know I'm not successful in that always, but I try to do as much as I can to get all that information for them. We think also wait, I actually have something for you. Where are we? We are YouTube. So you go to this YouTube thing, and you go to my channel, and then you go to this become member thing, and then you sign up. Every week I give you a fundamental analysis outlook on Sundays, weekly forecast. So yeah, exclusive live weekly forecast. That sounds good, right? Sounds about it. So that's how we get it. I can do that for you. I'll already do that work. So every Sunday at 5 p.m. If you don't want to pay for it, you kind of have to get the information yourself. I've already given it to you, where you should find it, what you should do. So it's up to you, bro. Can't really help you otherwise. We think gold will go the next 2 weeks. Ali, where are you from, Ali? Ali, where are you from? You good? English is good. Maybe not so good. Will you think? Well, I don't know. I think gold. Drum rolled. Gold is going to be higher in the next 2 weeks than it currently is. Where's the next buy on USD a couple of hours ago? What does the elephant say to her son when he was naughty? I don't know. I don't know, bro, Hardik. What did the elephant say to her son when he was naughty? So as long as gold is rising, I will keep buying. Tusk. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, how do you spot? Yeah, I can't do that one though. I need to find something more. How do you spot a blind man on the beach? A whole lot, Loopy. A whole lot. Oh, Peter on Kangi. Kangi. You sound... How do you spot a blind man on the beach? Or it's supposed to actually be... I can't say the word because that is, you know, a violation of whatever. But not the normal beach, but the beach for something else. For, you know, without clothes. Beach for the one without clothes. It's not that hard. So where were you coming from? US 30, Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq, we have here, we have some reversal on this one, hopefully, I guess, at the target for the month. That means I expect this one to bounce, and surely it did. So, pretty good. Happy days, happy life, happy wife. There is your buy zone. There's your buy zone and buy zone. Congratulations. Remember, most of this is actually okay. The most of the price increase is between October and April, and now until October, we're not going to expect more than maybe 1%. So don't be very aggressive around now until October. But yeah, so far, did what it was supposed to. Why did the elephant cross the road? I don't know. US 30. That was the wrong chat, by the way. US 30. Okay, interesting. Fair enough. Why did the elephant cross your road? Because the elephant, because the chicken retired. Hardy, don't kill me. Oh, bro, please save me, Jesus, and all of his competent friends. Anyways, that's a lame humor, I know. ZD. For everyone who has seen Gabriel Iglesias, that's actually the buy target, get out, and now whatever it does until June. So yeah, cool, whatever. Why couldn't... I don't know, bro. I don't know why the two elephants... Why couldn't the two elephants swim together? I don't know. Maybe they were redunculous. I don't know. Because they only had one pair of trunks. I've not heard that before. Come on, Rob. Don't kill me. Yeah, how was it? Yeah, but like, felt time. How was, like, what's the feedback? Like, I thought it was, I don't know, was I on fire or was I just talking nonsense? Sometimes I feel like I'm talking nonsense and people are cheering me up. I hope that, you know, I hope it was nice. Actually, I don't know. I'm kind of just going with the flow over there, so it's not really my channel. So, and I don't have Hardik there. I don't have Field Time there. That is, you know, talking to me and making me laugh. So you guys can come over and just make me laugh, and then I guess I would be even a better trade, more like how we do it here, because, you know, we have fun. Oh yeah, you did. Fantastic. Then I did something right then. Because it only had one pair of drinks. Bro. Oh, yeah, I know you have killed me. USD CAD, please. We can use the USD CAD. Well, do, Mrs. Joanna Rodriguez? Rodriguez? How do you say the Rodriguez? Yeah, sweet. Spanish. Catalonia, La España, Rodriguez. So, USD CAD hit the target we are supposed to hit. Boom. Dunkirky, you are so late by 1 whole hour that by this time I'm just joking around and have said what I wanted to say. If you start asking about my grandmother, I will talk about my grandmother. Also, visiting from Kategori's channel. Great stuff. Well, welcome, bros and ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you along. The other thing that we didn't do, I haven't checked though. Maybe I should check. How much? Did I get any new subscribers today? So okay, I will do that YouTube Studio thing, and I will just do it very fast, and then we will do cool. Now you can see my earnings and all those things. Cool. So today we have gone from 716 to 33. Thank you. Thank you for joining in. I hope that I'm going to give you some value, a lot of fun, some trade plans, because this one just went into take profit. So I don't know, Joanna, I don't know what to do. I don't know. Maybe it can go sideways, maybe it can go up, maybe it can go down, I don't know. Like, como estás, what is, I don't know in Spanish. I don't know in Spanish. That is Norwegian. No lo sé. No lo sé. No lo sé. No lo sé. And no. Yes. It can, but don't expect it. So yes, USD can go lower, but I don't expect it anymore. It is a psych level, and if you want to go buy, maybe look for it to retrace back up again. But yeah, just a quick question. Can you explain CO2 approach and how the market moves? Dunkirky, I just did that. I don't know when I did it, but I asked. Pepperstone asked about it earlier, and I don't know how long it is ago, but I already did it. So, please watch. Maybe from half an hour ago from now. I didn't check though. I didn't check. But yeah. Bam, boom. TP. What's the take profit, bro? What's the take profit? Well, I'm just going to give you. I didn't sell this one myself, so but yeah, take profit. Like that's the only thing I can do. Did you do USD yen? Didn't they do USD yen? Like, come on, bro. Okay, yeah, okay. I saw that question though. Gandhi asks, "Where's the next buy?" I don't know. Maybe that's 1 day. Yeah. Okay. At 22. Yeah, you'll watch it. Yeah, just jump over the thing that is not necessarily interesting for you. So USD yen. Okay. So let's check. Let's do this. Okay. Sell. Should we sell there? Around 109.10? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. This was the sell bus. This was the sell zone. This was the buy zone. And it's coming down again. Okay, cool. I did this in the Traders League channel and I said, this market is actually neutral. Why is it neutral? Because both market players, both sellers and buyers, has got what they want. So yeah, cool. I built a nice position in Aussie dollar. Only pair I managed to enter properly. Working too much. Ha ha ha. I think I've said it to you before, Feldheim, that now is the time to look for buys for tomorrow, by the way. Euro next buy, please target. I guess I missed it. I told you I don't give you prices, you know, kind of. I don't give you a financial advice, bro. But in a general concern, target is 123, by the way. So it's a couple of 80 pips left for the month. 80 pips left. Um, what about gold? So did we use the yen? Yeah. So target around 106.60. Cool. If you're a seller. If you're a buyer, I don't know if I like that one. What about gold? We can do gold. Have we done everything else? Aussie. Great. Euro. Doing great. Pound. Doing great. Pound yen. Doing great. New Zealand dollar. Doing great. USD CAD. Done. Pound. Done. Where do you think gold will go? What is your plan? I may have said that too much today. I don't know what you buys. Based upon your research. And I push you guys to do research. I push you guys to think, you know, think twice. You know? So you guys can make your own decisions. Don't depend on me. If I die tomorrow, I don't want you. I don't want your trading career to die too. So I need to teach you guys to become experts. You're thinking for sell. That's really weird. Like, do you have? Can you check fill time if you have put on the bell? Like, can it be that late? But I thought it was like a. I thought it was like a slow start, but I don't think it was 1 hour late. Okay, so you're thinking sell. Why? How about ask? For those who remember, that's Lassie, by the way. An old American movie we were watching when we were younger. You need to break you need to break 1860 for the first very aggressive target, aggressive entry. You need to break that one. And then you need to break 1850 and 1845. And when you break 1845, you can look for a pullback. So if you're looking for sells, you are maybe 2 days plus. 2 days. 2 days plus. You need to wait a couple, I think 2 days. Minimally. Before this one has turned around. So if you then fell now, yeah, that would probably do the thing because it needs to retrace 100% of this one before you can sell it again. Until 1855, I don't know why you should go down to 1855, but I've just told you need to pass 1863, 1855, and 1840. 1840 is more like a long term, very short term, long term, or longer term. Chief, 1830, 1835 buys. Is 1830, 1835 is good to buy as it's overbought. Yeah, so if it goes higher, then it's kind of what it does. It does go higher, and then we just follow it. But I'm not buying here. Currently, it's just a black box of nothing, and we shall see where it breaks higher or lower. Black box of nothing. Those will go higher, those will go lower. We don't know. Create trading rules for yourself so you put yourself in the best positions possible. All right. I agree. That's very much welcome. That's very good. Yeah, Michael, you didn't ask me. Oh, Michel, you didn't ask me. You didn't tell me if you have put on the bell as well. So when you subscribe to someone in YouTube, MFX, anyone? No, that's not where we're going. If you subscribe to someone, let's say I'm subscribed to myself, I guess. Can I subscribe to myself? I cannot subscribe to myself. Okay. Let's go there then. Like, have you clicked the bell button? That's what I'm wondering about. Hello, Abraham. So yeah, this is how it looked like a couple of hours ago. Where is the tomato? Yeah. Hello, Abraham. Hello, hello. How are you? My good YouTube member. Lovely member. If you're a new hero today, I really want you guys to come to me with your problems and issues. And somebody, I think it was Dunkirky. Dunkirky, are you still here? Are you still here? Are you still here? Hello, Joe. You asked if you can vent earlier today, and you didn't. I didn't see you at any point later on venting. So, come on, bro. I'm waiting for you. What are you frustrated about? Okay, I didn't see it though. I'm sorry. I tried to be engaging in the chat and see if you did. But yeah. Dunkirk, that's what I call you apparently. But yeah. Well, you are Lucas Selfridge. Hi, Lucas. Well, you have a totally different. I talk to you differently than anyone else in here. But okay. Yeah, I've seen you around, Lucas. Welcome, by the way. I know you guys didn't know about me in the PTP. So sorry for the surprise, but here I am. Hey. So yeah, doing pretty good this week, I think, as a group. Kunwad, long time no see. You're waiting pound dollar to drop. Yeah, okay, cool. That's good on you, and I'm just waiting for this to drop. Cool. If that's what you want, I don't want that to happen, but it's possible because we hit target. So whatever we do, kind of a thing. Is this a reversal? No. It's 142. It's at the level. So if you get kind of a double top, yeah, cool. I guess you can. And if you get the EMAs with you as well, yeah, you kind of need to sell in here though, before anything else. But yeah. My prediction went well for gold. I bought a. Cool. 1680? Isn't that the current price? Yeah, that's a. Oh, 1680. Oh, wow. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Boom. Indiana variant. Oh, yeah, India, I know. So the thing about India, it doesn't seem to care the market so far. I cared about it when they said that vaccination centers and manufacturers were shutting down. That really bothered me. And I've seen cases of India variant, which was apparently a former UK variant or whatever that was. But remember, people, when you look at the news, don't just look at what they're telling you emotionally. What are they telling you intellectually? They're telling you, one, a lot of people are dying in India. But if you look at the numbers, it is actually very much less percentage-wise compared to Norway, compared to other countries. It is not that bad. It's just that there are so many people living there, also under worse conditions, living conditions than other countries where they can live alone. So don't let yourself be caught up in that. Same thing with Israel-Palestine conflict. It doesn't have economic world what do you call it, impact. So gold market doesn't fly. If this was a really impact on the market, you see dollar flying higher and gold flying higher. We don't see that. But once the production of the COVID vaccine in India was closing down, or thinking of closing down, or if they did or did not, I don't know what they did. If that happens, that is major. If trade is affected, like the Suez Canal, it wasn't really that bad. You could just go around Africa. It just took a couple of days extra. But remember, after the Suez Canal incident, you're going to have delays in the ports because every ship that comes with maybe one every day, everything is like smoothly timed in between. Now again has to wait at the port they're going to, which is already a seamless operation of flowing cargo ships. So when you look at the news, put on your goggles with a critical view. Is this going to change trade? Is this going to change how people behave? Like the oil pipeline in the gasoline pipeline in America, the East Coast pipeline. Yeah, VTI went higher. I don't think Brent, the North Sea oil, was even affected. You see, look at how things are working together. Is there going to be a policy change in America for taxes, for stimulus checks, if Palestine or Israel is dropping a bomb somewhere? No. An airstrike? No. But if an airstrike hits an oil line in Saudi Arabia or in Iran or Iraq, you bet it's going to affect the oil price. You bet it's going to affect the oil price. If there's a crisis in the Persia Bay, I can actually tell you guys about. I can show you the maps about that one. Maybe Oman. I'll just take Oman, then Google from there. If you take Oman, if you have this place here where 30% of the world's oil coming from Saudi Arabia here, if that is blocked, oh my lord, help me Jesus, that is going to affect their oil price. So there was an airstrike a couple of years ago, I can't remember when it was, that took out 50% of the production in Saudi Arabia for 1 day or 2 days. The backup line very fast. Price went skyrocketing and then down again. And it retraced and went even lower than it was previously before. That is the things you're supposed to look out for. Earthquakes in Japan. Earthquakes in America, for that matter. If it's an earthquake in Japan, which is actually pretty normal, sorry to say that, but that's kind of thing that moves price because it moves people. People need to bring home money to build up their houses. Okay, so I talked about an airstrike earlier, and when was that? That was either this one, maybe that was Soleimani. This was the airstrike I was talking about. You know, skyrocketing straight up high, going to target for I think it was the month. Yeah, the monthly target. Comes back down again, 100% and a bit more. That is how shocks works. They go absolutely up, and if the question is it one, is it resolved, or is it still continuing? That will determine the price. Until they say it's resolved, price will then fall more than the original, because people take profit at the top. The demand that was there here is gone here. There is no demand there anymore. They've already got what they wanted, so they get out. The events of Elon Musk is micro. He doesn't control the cryptocurrency market, bros. He just playing with your feelings. Okay? He doesn't change the urban demand or the supply. The supply is determined by the miners or whatever that is, and it goes lower and lower because it's taking away more and more Bitcoin every whatever that year was, second year or whatever it is. So there would be less and less supply. The demand might be different, but let me tell you something very free. This, people, is the target for the bears. If this falls further, well, I don't care. But this price is where you would likely have it happen when it goes from the seller price down to the target, and now the seller should be over. If they continue to sell, I don't know that. They might, and I don't really care, because that's totally up to them. But from here, you can look for an uptrend again. That's totally your job, to look for an uptrend again. Yeah, with the pound CPI tomorrow, I think pound strength would probably increase. For now, I will wait for CPI to come out tomorrow. Did you talk about Australian dollar, yearly? Yeah, I did. If so, don't worry, I will rewatch. I think I did, so yeah. Who said you can't name them? India variant doubling in the UK every week. Yeah, I don't like it at all, but it is what it is. These people are bad in math. Sedu Aramco last time. Yeah. Events like Elon Musk tweeting a picture of a dog flying to the moon. Yeah, that's absolutely funny. Once an ant and an elephant were going on a new scooter. They met with an accident. An ant and an elephant were going on a new scooter. They met with an accident. The elephant died, but the ant was alive. Why? Because the ant was wearing a helmet. Thank you for that moral. For Hardik. Thank you. I love that. Bitcoin is out of my reach. I don't want to invest in it. There's no need to invest in Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, I know. But it is what it is. Like, don't invest into assets you don't understand. That's the holy grail of everything. Alright. So yeah. How long have I been going on for? 1 hour and 16 minutes? Wow. Yeah, you always with me. Alright, I'm getting low on energy here, people. I don't know. Like, whoever Trader Nick says he's going to sleep on the couch. Well, he wake up early in the morning to go to those lives, but yeah, no, I don't feel it like earlier today. I didn't feel like I've been live twice today, by the way. So the fatigue is killing me. So if I start talking shit, so if I'm talking nonsense right now, I'm sorry. I do apologize for that. Yeah, thank you. True, and don't want to understand the digit coin. Please, Chief, have a good night. You stream a lot today. Thank you very much for your support, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great night. I'm gonna take a nap, and I'll probably just give you guys the charts. I don't think I will do a video on for the mentorship students today, but I will try to update you with the entries for tomorrow. I actually didn't go. I was exhausted. I'm sorry. I actually didn't go. There you can maximally meet 100 people, and it was 300 people. So whoever organized it is going to be fined maybe $1 million. So maybe was, and police told people to get home, to piss off. So I guess I shouldn't have been there anyways. So yeah, police was chasing people away from that. So it is what it is. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Love you guys. Love your family. Cool. Boom.